Hey guys, welcome to my baking channel. Today, we will be making double chocolate cheesecake muffins. If you love deep rich chocolate and creamy cheesecake just like I do, then you need to have a shot at these super delicious muffins. Let me show you how easy it is to make this yummy treat. For this recipe, we will be needing the following ingredients. You can find the exact measurements in the description box below. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius and line a muffin pan with cupcake liners. In a small saucepan, add the 80 grams of semi-sweet chocolate and 40 grams of butter. After it has melted completely, set this aside for the upcoming steps. In a large mixing bowl, add in the 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 150 grams of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Give this a quick mix by just using a wire whisk. Add the 200 milliliters of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and the 2 eggs. Beat this on medium-high speed until everything is well combined. Make sure to scrape the sides of your bowl every now and then. I'm now going to add the cooled melted chocolate. Just mix this until everything comes together. We can now stir in the milk chocolate chips. Since these are double chocolate muffins, I really like to use different type of chocolates for this recipe. This is how the consistency should look like. Let's move on to our cheesecake filling. In a medium mixing bowl, add the 250 grams of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla sugar. You could also use vanilla extract instead. Beat this on medium-high speed until everything is well incorporated. You will notice that this mixture is quite runny, but that's totally fine. I'm now going to scoop the chocolate muffin mixture into the prepared cupcake liners, just like so. Lastly, add a generous tablespoon of the cheesecake filling on top of each muffin. We are now going to bake this for about 19 to 21 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. So my muffins are done baking. I baked mine for 20 minutes. Let these cool down completely. Now look at these mouth-watering double chocolate cheesecake muffins. They're so moist and the creamy cheesecake filling makes them even more irresistible. They're definitely the perfect mood-lifting snack for these cold and gray winter days. You must give this recipe a try. I hope you enjoyed my video today. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more yummy recipes. Take care and see you next time. Bye!